In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect landing page with AI using System.io. The first step you need to do, head over to Google and search free PLR. The reason why we are looking for this, because you are going to get a free ebook. Creating a landing page, we need to be selling something or giving something for free, and find any book here that you can use and click there. It's free, you don't have to pay anything. This is an ad close. You don't have to pay any dime here. So the next step, you will come here down and click here download. So without wasting time here, let me show you a real quick how to do these things here. The first step here, come on System.io, and I will leave the link in the description below. Click here where there is website and come and click here where there is sales funnels. And the next step here to do is to come and click here create, and you will have to give your funnel a name, something like, let's say, affiliate marketing, something like that. And again, come and click here build an audience, click there, and then scroll down here, then click save, and boom, our funnel has been created within 1 minute. So the next step we are going to do here, click on that funnel, click on that, and the next step here, you will have to find a template that you can use. All right, I have got the template which I'm going to use here. On the next step here, come and click here where it says select, click there, and the next step here, we are going to click here where is edit page, click there, all right, now we are going to edit this page. But to create something like this, or for example to create a perfect landing page, you need to be highly skilled. You need to be highly skilled in copywriting. In today's video, we are going to use AI to do the hard work for us. The next step, we come here on ChatGPT and we ask ChatGPT what we want to write out for us. Let me say, for example, we are going to say, write me 10 headlines or headings about affiliate marketing secret, and click send. Let ChatGPT do the hard work for us. All right, we have got some, it has given us some headlines here, some headings here. I think I'm going to use something like this here. Discover the number one secret earning passive income with affiliate marketing. All right, I'm going to highlight this and right click, copy. I come back to System.io here. It's bringing me black words. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do like this, then click there to get a color I want. Click there. Now I have got the color I want. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove some of the words here, something like some words like this, and I put my own words like hash. This, I think I will delete even this one here. Discover the number one secret to earn $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. I think that's quite good. And the next step here, we are going to edit something like this. Even if you are a beginner and don't have any technical knowledge, I think we will not do this, but we will change something like this and we put in skills. All right, even if you are a beginner and don't have any technical skills, the next step to do here, we are going to delete this one and we put our own anything we want here. Let's see, let me change the color here so that it can be visible, something like that. And I think I have to highlight this one the same color like this here. something like that. I think I will leave it like that. Land a secret that make it happen, something like that. Or I can even delete it, but I'm not going to delete it. Let me scroll down here. Let me scroll down here. Now the next step here, we are going to delete this video here. Click delete, and what we are going to do here, we are going to put here an image. Then come here, backside here, and click here where there is image. Just bring this one here, something like that. And the image you are going to put here, remember at the beginning of this video we had to download a free ebook, and that free book is what we are going to be giving for free in return of getting emails. We have here an ebook which I downloaded here. I'll just click there, click on that image, and click here and put your image, the image you downloaded, and click on the image, you click insert. This is how the image looks like, which I downloaded here, and I'm going to reduce this image here. Let me scroll down here. I'm going to put it so that it can be on the same level there. All right, that's how it is. And the next step here, we are going to play around with this. I'm going to delete this so that we can put our own according to the product we are promoting, or according to our ebook. The next step here, you downloaded the ebook. What you are going to do is to go on that ebook and see what is inside. Click there. Then you have to click on that ebook and click. This is how our ebook looked like. The next step here we are going to do is copy something like this here, and then go back to system.io and put it here, something like that. Paste it there, and make sure to be in a white color or any color you want, something like that. And this one, you have to remove this, something like this. I will have to remove it, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything here. The next step here is to go back to ebook, get something like this here, and go back to our landing page. Make sure it to be visible. Something like that. Okay, that's what you will have to do, and make sure to complete all of these, because for me I have just done only 2 things, and for you guys you have to complete this all, and make sure to change these icons here. And the next step we are going to do here is to come here on the elements here and click on these bullet points here. Come here and put somewhere here. I think I will put it here, something like that there. And the next thing here, these words are hidden, they are not in the color. Let's just put in a white color here so that it can be visible, and click something like that. And what we are going to do, we are going to ask ChatGPT try to give us the bullet points according to our headline. So head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to have to copy back our headline here. Right click copy and go back to ChatGPT, then tell ChatGPT to give you 10 bullet points about your headline. We are going to select like this is select like 5 points here too. Like let's just select like 5 points here. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's select like 5. Right click, copy, and we go back to our system.io, scroll down, and we will have to replace all of this here. Right click, paste, and as you can see here, we need to change the color, and then click there, then put it in white background so that they can be visible. To come here on elements here, blocks, let me see here, we are going to come here on elements here, then scroll down until you find this form input. Click there, make this form small. Let's say like, for example, I don't know, let's say we're going to make it small. I think something like that. Let me see here. I think we are going to leave it like that. And the next thing we are going to do here, we are going to find a button here. So scroll down and click button here. Then I don't want the button to be on this side here, obviously. Just delete it there and delete. I don't know why it's doing like this. Delete the button. So we are going to drag the button and put it where we want it to be. Let's say we want it to be there, obviously there. Then click on the button, click here, and then click here, open URL, click there. This is where you will be putting your link. Scroll down and do something like this, something like that. We are going to put the call to action here. So we are going to scroll down here and we make sure we delete this on here. Click here, we delete it, and we paste in our own here. Download the guide now. So that's all we want. The next step we are going to do here, to click on it and click here where it's duplicate it, and then duplicate it the third time. Then the next step we will do here is to come and click here and come here where it is select a type. Click there and come here down, select first name, and the next thing here, still the next step here, click there, click on it, and then click here. Then have to set here last name, and here you have to put email. Click there, click on it, and come here on select a style, select a type, and then here it will be email, something like that. And guys, remember, you have to work as you save. And now our landing page has been saved. This is how our landing page looks like a little bit. So what we need to do here is to change the background there. So let me show you how it looks like now. And then click here, view funnel. So this is the landing page now we have created. Very easy and very simple. I don't know why this thing did not come here. All right, this is the landing page which we have created here. So we need to, I think we need to put these bullet points in the middle here, and we need to make sure this form are on the same size with our this form are on the same size with our button here. So we have to go back again. All right, then come back here, click here, edit. So another step, what we need to do here, we need to make sure these things are in the middle here. Okay, now we have finished, put them in the middle, then click save. And the one thing we forgot here, we have to put our link here. So you put it, so you will click there and you will come here where is open URL, and you will have to put your URL there. Obviously you can use this template here and to make it yours, and I will leave the link in the description below if you really want this template so that it can be easier for you to drag and drop. Alright, that's all guys, and don't forget to watch the next video I'm going to put here, because if you really want to make money online, click on that, click on the next video and watch the next video.